Guys, for today's video, nagluto ako ng munggo, kalabasa, sardinas, okra at talong. Ayan, yummy, yummy. Wow, so yummy my food. Ayan guys, munggo. Ay, takam-takam ako sa sarap. Ayan, meron akong okra, meron akong talong at kalabasa. Wow! And then, meron din akong sardinas. Yan. Sarap yun siya, guys. See? May ulam na. Ako, gulay. Ay, lagyan ko pa pala ng malunggay. Kukuha ko ng malunggay, guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you, like, follow, and share. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye. Gulay, munggo, okra, kalabasa.